coast of South America, Hurricane Marie intensifies to a Category 5, sending rideable swells northward into Mexico and California. Forerunners of the swell start pulsing at first light with waves 10 feet plus, encouraging all who traveled here to try their hand at the Mexican pipeline.
It would have been the wave of my life. I would have made it. It turned out to be one of the closest times I ever came to drowning in my whole life.
The increase of swell comes the increase of power, riptides, long deep hold downs, and ultra late drops.
I think I took the worst wipe out I've ever had out here. Just couldn't get my edge in and got to the bottom and it was just, my board was tracking straight.
The waves are crazy. You can get the wipeout of your life, you can drown, or you can get the best wave of your life. And I think I just got mine. Probably one of the best ones I ever got.